My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-ups by the website Nensinoo.top. Nensinoo.top is a really dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site, Nensinoo.top, tries to make you share your personal details in order to make your data granted to third parties illegally. So also it tries to make you click on allow button in order to make you subscribed to the intrusive advertisements that will be shown as random push notifications. And therefore, if you see these pop-ups by Nensinoo.top, do not trust these pop-ups and do not do what they tell you to do. If you have mistakenly clicked on the allow button, get your browser fixed. So access the menu, go to settings, go to privacy and security, then site settings, and in permissions click on notifications. Now you need to remove the wide range of these junk sites in case you detect their presence on the list. So carefully, one by one, get rid of these junk and deceptive sites. I also recommend you to research the computer additionally with Combo Cleaner. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system to detect and remove other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.